Consider second order differential equation y dash dash plus py dash plus qy is equal to r. Now we can write d is equal to d by dx. So dy means d into y means dy by dx, which is equal to y dash. Similarly y dash dash means d square y. So we can write this differential equation as d square plus pd plus q into y is equal to r. Now the auxiliary equation of this differential equation is m square, here d square, so m square plus mp plus q is equal to 0. This is auxiliary equation. Now roots of this auxiliary equation m1 and m2 are if not equal, then complementary solution of this differential equation is yc is equal to c1 exponential of m1x c2 into exponential of m2x. If roots are equal, if both roots are m1 is equal to m2, then yc complementary solution is equal to c1 plus x into c2 into exponential of m1x, that is equal to this one. So complementary solution of this differential equation of second order is like that c1 into y1 plus c2 into y2. In this way the second order differential equation has complementary solution. In the place of y1, if m1 is not equal to m2, here exponential of m1x in the place of y1, and in the place of y2 exponential of m2x in the place of y2. In the here if roots are equal, m1 is equal to m2, then in the place of y1 here exponential of m1x, and in the place of y2 x into exponential of m1x if roots are equal. So this is y2, x into exponential of m1x. So then how we can find out particular solution? If this is complementary solution, then particular solution is in the, if this is a particular solution, if this is a complementary solution, then particular solution is in the form of yp is equal to a into y1 plus b into y2. Now we have to find out a, what is a and what is b. So a is minus r y2, y2 is this one. R means what we taken here, this is r, minus r y2. In differential equation what they give r, this is, here we take r minus r y2 divided by w. What is w? W means Wronskian of differential equation, that is y1 y2. Here y1 dash, differentiation of y1 with respect to x, and differentiation of y2 with respect to x. Here this is determinant of, this is called as Wronskian of differential equation, that is denoted by w into dx, integration with respect to dx. Similarly b is equal to, here no minus, r into y1 divided by w into dx. This is to find out b. So by this method we can find out particular solution and complementary solution, and complementary solution plus particular solution gives complete solution of differential equation. Now one problem is there, solve d square minus 2d plus 1 into y is equal to exponential of 2x into exponential of x plus 1 whole raised to minus 2. Now what is auxiliary equation for this differential equation? Here d square minus 2d plus 1. So m square minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0 is the auxiliary equation for this differential equation. What is its root? We can write this equation as m square minus m plus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 2m can be written as minus m minus m. So we can take common here m, we can take common m minus 1 minus, here we can take minus 1 as common, then m minus 1 is equal to 0. Now it implies that m minus 1 into m minus 1 is equal to 0. So roots of this auxiliary equation is m is equal to 1 and m is equal to 1. Both roots are equal. m1 is equal to m2. If both roots are equal, m1 is equal to m2, then complementary solution yc is equal to c1 plus x into c2 into exponential of m1 into x. So yc complementary solution is c1 plus x into c2 into exponential of 1 m1 into x, that is exponential of x. So complementary solution yc, we get that c1 into exponential of x plus c2 into x exponential of x. So we get complementary solution in the form of c1 into y1 and c2 into y2. So this is in the place of y2 and this is in the place of y1. So y1 is exponential of x and y2 is x into exponential of x. So we get solution in the form c1 into y1 plus c2 into y2. So this is in the place of y2 and this is in the place of y1. Now first we have to find out what is Wronskian of this differential equation, that is w is equal to y1 y2, here y1 dash y2 dash. So w is equal to first exponential of x y1 and here x into exponential of x, this is y2, here differentiation of exponential of x, that is exponential of x. What is differentiation of x into exponential of x? We have to use here u into v whole dash. Differentiation of u into v means differentiation of u first into v, that is here differentiation of x with respect to x means 1 into second function v, that is exponential of x, plus then u into differentiation of v. U means here x plus in the place of u here x into differentiation of exponential of x means that is exponential of x. So this is differentiation of y2 means this. So value of this one is, we can multiply these two, exponential of x into exponential of x plus x into exponential of x minus multiplying this, we get x into exponential of x into exponential of x, exponential of x into exponential of x into exponential of x. So this is the value of this determinant. Now what we get, w is equal to exponential of x into exponential of x means exponential of 2x plus x into exponential of 2x minus x into exponential of 2x. Exponential of x into exponential of x is exponential of 2x. So we get w is equal to, if we this minus this is 0, so exponential of 2x is value of w. Now the particular solution is in the form of yp is in the form of a into y1 plus b into y2. This is particular solution. First we have to find out what is a and what is b. So a is equal to we know that a is equal to minus r into y2 divided by w into dx, and b is equal to r into y1 divided by w into dx. This is variation of parameter method. So now if we find out b, what is b is equal to, here in the place of r, what is here, this is in the place of r here, this is in the place of r. So in the place of r we can put exponential of x. This is exponential of 2x. Exponential of 2x into exponential of x plus 1 raised to minus 2. This is in the place of r here, and in the place of y1 here, in the place of y1 exponential of x. In the place of w we have exponential of 2x. Integration with respect to dx. Now exponential of 2x and exponential of 2x cancels out. We get b is equal to exponential of x into dx. If we take this to here, this we can write as exponential of x plus 1 square. Here minus 2, in denominator it becomes plus 2. Now if we put exponential of x plus 1 is equal to u, then du means differentiation with du means exponential of x into dx. Differentiation of this one is ex into dx. So in exponential of x into dx, in this place we can put du, and in this place u. So du divided by u square. Exponential of x plus 1 means u square. So integration of u raised to minus 2, if we take this 2 in numerator, we get u raised to minus 2 into du. So integration of this one is u raised to minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So u raised to minus 2 plus 1 means u raised to minus 1 divided by minus 1. Now this is equal to b. So we know we can put here integration constant c3. After integration we can put integration constant, we must put integration constant c3, then c3 here u inverse, that means we can write b is equal to minus 1 divided by u plus c3. Now what is b here? U in the place of u, exponential of x plus 1. So minus 1 divided by exponential of x plus 1 plus c3. This is the value of b. Now we have to find out what is value of a. So we have a is equal to minus r. In the place of r, what it is? Exponential of 2x into exponential of x plus 1 raised to minus 2. This is r, minus r, divide into y2. y2 means here in the place of y2 here x into ex. So x into exponential of x, this is y2, r into y2 minus r into y2 divided by w, r into y2 divided by w. W means exponential of 2x into dx. With respect to dx, we have to integrate it. Now this we can cancel out. Now we get a is equal to minus, we can write x into exponential of x divided by exponential of x plus 1 square into dx. Now we know that u, we can put formula for this, u into dv, integration, we can u into v, integration of u dv means uv minus v du. Now what is u here? In the place of u here, minus x we can take u, and dv we can take exponential of x divided by exponential of x plus 1 square into dx. Now what is v here? Integration of this what gives? We know that here integration of exponential of x divided by exponential of x plus 1 whole square with respect to dx, we get what we get, minus 1 divided by exponential of x plus 1. Constant we can put after the integration, so minus 1 divided by exponential of x plus 1, this is integration of x with respect to dx. So this value of this one is minus 1 divided by exponential of x plus 1. Integration constant we can put after the whole integration process, after we can put integration constant. So what is du? Du means minus dx. This is du. So u dv, in the place of u dv, this is a is there. So a is equal to, we can write u into v. What is u here? Minus x. What is v here? Minus 1 into x means plus x divided by exponential of x plus 1. This is uv minus v du. Du means minus dx into v, that we get dx divided by exponential of x plus 1. So minus dx into minus 1 v du, so it is dx by exponential of x plus 1. So what is integration of this one here? Now take t is equal to exponential of x plus 1, then t minus 1 means exponential of x. So what is dt? Differentiation of t is exponential of x into dx. So what is dx here? Dx means dt divided by ex. In the place of ex, we can write dt divided by ex, exponential of x, that means t minus 1. So this is dx, and exponential of x plus 1 means exponent t. So a is equal to, we get a is equal to x divided by exponential of x plus 1, here plus c minus integration of in the place of dx dt divided by t minus 1, and in the place of exponential of x plus 1 here t. So this is value of a. Now we have to find out value of a. A is equal to x divided by exponential of x plus 1 minus dt divided by t minus 1 into t. So 1 divided by t minus 1 into t, we can write this as, if we write 1 divided by t minus 1 minus t, we can write this as this type. Why? Because if we make common t into t minus 1, here t goes to here, t minus 1, that we get t minus t means 0, minus into minus is plus 1, it is t minus 1 into t. So we can express this as this type. So we can write here a is equal to x divided by exponential of x plus 1 minus dt by t minus 1 we can write this as dt divided by t minus 1 minus dt by t. So if we move this minus sign to here, we get a is equal to x divided by exponential of x plus 1 minus integration of dt divided by t minus 1 plus integration of dt by t. Now we get a is equal to x divided by exponential of x plus 1 minus ln t minus 1 plus ln t. Integration of 1 by t minus 1 is ln t minus 1. Integration of dt by t is ln t. So what is t here? We put that t is equal to exponential of x plus 1 and t minus 1 is equal to exponential of x. So in the place of here we must put integration constant, it is c4. After completion of integration process, I put integration constant c4 minus ln exponential of x. T is equal to exponential of x plus 1. So t minus 1 is exponential of x plus ln exponential of x plus 1 in the place of t plus c4. So ln and exponential are inverses, it cancels out, we get here only x. So a is equal to x divided by exponential of x plus 1 minus, cancels out, we get only x here, minus x plus ln exponential of x plus 1 plus c4. This is the value of a. Now we have solution yp is equal to a y1 plus b y2. Now yp is equal to, what is in the place of a here? X divided by exponential of x plus 1 minus x plus ln exponential of x plus 1 plus c4. This is value of a into y1. What is y1 means here? Here y1 means exponential of x, what we take in first. So exponential of x plus, what is in the place of b? We get b is equal to minus 1 divided by exponential of x plus 1 plus c3. So minus 1 divided by exponential of x plus 1 plus C3 into y2. What is y2? It is x into exponential of x. So x into exponential of x. Now yp is equal to x into exponential of x divided by exponential of x plus 1 minus x into exponential of x plus exponential of x into ln exponential of x plus 1 plus c4 into exponential of x minus x into exponential of x divided by exponential of x plus 1. If we multiply this, and plus c3 into x into exponential of x. Now x into this and this cancels out. Now we get yp is equal to exponential of x into ln x plus 1 minus x into exponential of x plus c4 exponential of x minus or plus c3 into x into exponential of x. So what is yc we get in previous? We get yc is equal to c1 into exponential of x plus c2 into x into exponential of x. So c1 into exponential of x plus c2 into x into exponential of x. Now complete solution is yc plus yp. Now yc means c1 into exponential of x plus c2 into x into exponential of x plus yp, this one. So we can write it as yc plus yp is equal to, here exponential of x constant coefficients are c1, we can write c1 plus c4, c1 plus c4 into exponential of x, and here x into exponential of x has coefficient c2, and here minus 1, here c2 minus 1, and c3 plus c3 into exponential of x into x into exponential of x some coefficient. Now remaining term is exponential of x into ln exponential of x plus 1. So we can write complete solution as c1 plus c4 as, we can take c5 into exponential of x, any other constant. Here c1, c2, c3 are constant values. This is also we can take as constant value. It is c6 into exponential of x into x, or x into exponential of x plus exponential of x into ln exponential of x plus 1. This is required complete solution for the given integral, for the given differential equation.